Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to see about DAWNAirdrop guys. So this particular airdrop is similar to grass airdrop only, and currently you can see they're only having 6,000 followers only, and we are super early for this project. And if you think this one is a legit one or not, here you can see officially Solana has been tweeted about them. So Solana is for decentralized infrastructure and tagging them, okay. And this particular project, they have raised $18 million in the total funding round, and here you can see all the participation people. So in this video we are going to see about this airdrop only guys, and this is very early project, so must try this one as soon as possible. And before we start our video, so if this is the first time visiting to my channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel guys. And I can see many of you are watching my videos but without liking it. It's hardly takes 1 second of your time to hit the like button, so like the video and continue watching it guys. And this is our Telegram channel. Here only I'll be updating all sorts of time sense information, airdrop details, airdrop link and everything. So in case if you haven't followed me here also follow me, okay. So with that being said, let's get into the video guys. So first of all, about this project, so this is the first deep in protocol to offer decentralized broadband with multi gigabit wireless technology on Solana, okay. So this is kind of like a grass project, and like how network based airdrop we saw in the grass, okay. So it is kind of similar to that only. So all we need to do is just click on the link in the description, and once you click on it, Chrome extension will open. Just click on add to Chrome and just add this Dawn validator Chrome extension, and you can use a new Chrome account also for doing this purpose in case if you want to be safer side. So just I've just added it, and here you can see it will be open up like this only. Create an account to start earning rewards by helping decentralize the internet, okay. So just click on next, and we need to firstly register, okay. So just click on register. So guys, just give the name and then you put your email address and give password, and here in the referral code I'll be leaving the code in the description. If you want, you can use my referral code. So just give the referral code here, and then just click on create an account. So now the account got created guys. Now what you need to do is we need to click on the email link so that it will get verified, okay. So just open your Gmail account, and here you can see they send the mail. So just click to verify, and it will get verified. So sometimes in case if your email is not showing, no, so go and check in your spam, okay. So here you can see in the spam folder you can check, there it will be available, okay. So here you can see email verified successfully. So now again come back here and open this top, okay, and then click on next button, and here you need to give your email, okay. So you give your email and then password here, okay. So once you click on login, here you can see guys it will be open up like this, and the message should show it is connected, and connection quality will be shown up here, and you are connected and stay connected to earn rewards for contributing to the network, okay. So actually it is similar to grass airdrop only. I hope you know about the grass airdrop. So it is kind of similar to that only. So here you can see that points in the right side it started earning. So if you want to boost your point, no, what you need to do is just click on boost rewards, and here you can see follow them on their socials so that we'll be able to boost our rewards, okay. So if you click on Twitter account, no, so it will take you to the Twitter account. So just come here and follow them on the Twitter account. So there is no authorization required, so that like that means like you don't need to exactly follow the rule. Just click on that, it will go inside and come back here and see it will be showing claimed, okay. And if you do the same with Discord also, if you click on that, it will take you to the Discord account. But in case if you want to be in the safer side, just go inside and follow them and come back. And same goes with the Telegram also. So if you click on that, Telegram will open. All you need to do is just go and follow them and again come back and check here. It will be showing that you claim the points, okay. It will open up like this, and join the group, and just go back here, and if you see you'll be able to see all your points here, okay. So totally we have earned 15k points right away by just connecting here, okay, by following these socials. And apart from that, if you want to earn points, you can share your referral links with your friends and earn more points, okay. And this is brand new, so must try this one guys. The reason why I'm telling you is very early. Here you can see, and Solana is actually officially tweeted about this one, so it is not some fake one and all. So must try this one guys. I hope you have liked this video. If you do so, click the like button, and thank you guys, thank you for watching this video until the very end.